Hi, I'm Jake with Hardwood Reflections, and I wanted to bring you out here today just kind of show you what we do in the butcher block countertop space. We have questions all the time. They're like, hey Jake, what's the difference between this countertop and this countertop? Or they look the same online. So here's kind of a brief rundown. We're gonna start right here. This is a Birch butcher block countertop. This is our best selling top. It's light color, it's got a little bit of a yellowish hues to it, I guess you'd say. The next one, this is ash. Now ash is really hard, really solid, a lot like the birch. But you'll notice, the staves are a little narrower than these are. These are a little bit wider staves right here inside the wood. Great hardwood, really good for countertops, but it's a milky white. This right here is called their Sapele butcher block countertop. Untreated, it looks kind of just a little reddish, but as soon as you put any sort of treatment on here, it pops like it's a mahogany color. This right here is European Alder. Once again, very, very light top, very, a lot more soft than these right here as well. Easy to machine, easy to work with. Right here, this big tall sucker, this is our European Walnut. Beautiful top, darker, really hard wood. This right here, next to the walnut, this is our live edge Acacia. This will have a live edge on one side and then a straight edge on the other side. And lastly, but not least, this is a European Beech right here. So you'll notice it's pretty light, but it's got just a lot different texture than everything else. And then really kind of the neat thing about a countertop is whatever you want to accomplish, we can accomplish with you. Whether it's a wider stave countertop, whether it's you like some of the patterns inside the ash, you like kind of the reddish of a Sapele, you like a live edge feature, or you like the dark of a European Walnut. So that's about it. Please send us your questions. We're on all the social media sites and we'd love to answer anything you have, but here's just a general rundown of our butcher blocks.